Hello YouTube, it's Jeff's Tech here. In this video I'm going to help you fix the 100% disk usage issue that mainly plagues the Windows 10 operating system. It can make your computer slow down quite a bit, as you've probably figured out. First thing that I want you to do is go to the search bar and type in CMD to bring up the command center. Let's do that now. Then I want you to type in services.msc. Should bring up a list of your local services that you're on your computer. And you want to go down to find Windows Search. When you find it, double click on it. Make sure that it's disabled. Stop it. Press apply. And OK. While you're in this screen, I want you to see if you can find Superfetch. If you have that, do the exact same thing. There are a lot of other things that you can do, but they are unnecessary, in my opinion. If you have any questions, comments, please leave me a message, and please let me know if this has worked for you. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Also, let me know if there's any other tutorials that I should make for you. See you soon. Peace.